Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always staying with me. Today I will be showing you guys how I used my local charcoal to burn TURAREBYAISHA Bakhoor incense, while I tell you about how I started shipping my TURAREBYAISHA to other countries, like that's international order. So just watch closely and learn what just learn and listen to what I will tell you, especially if you are a TURAREBYAISHA vendor or you are into TURAREBYAISHA making. So the first time I started shipping TURAREBYAISHA was in 2021. Yes, 2021. So as at that time, I have different customers from US and Dubai, but I did not know how to send this TURAREBYAISHA, so sometimes I just turn down their order. So, and there's this beautiful woman who said okay, she wants to try the TURAREBYAISHA and she wants to buy some ingredients from me. She learned from me, and she learned the TURAREBYAISHA from one of my classes, and then she said she wanted to get the ingredients. So I checked the different methods that you can use to send stuff to you can export stuff out of Nigeria, and they were very expensive, and like they are still expensive, sha. But as at that time, it was so expensive for what she was getting. She was not even getting an item like up to like 100k. I think as at that time, they were not even up to 100k. She was just getting the little items. So and then we opted for the NIPOS shipping. That's the local shipping method. That was the first mistake I made, guys, in my business. I sent the items, I packed everything well, I took it to the post office, and then they weighed the items, registered the items, and they gave me my waybill number and everything. I think I dropped it in one of my videos, guys. So do you know that those items I sent took up to like 3 months before they got to I think California or Georgia, one of the two. It took so long for the items to get there, but that was the last time I used the NIPOS. I later made my research and other methods like that I can use, and then I started using DHL, which has been very, very, very amazing and smooth. And now I'm trying to just get like to just, yeah, I'm just trying to search other simple ways that I can use to ship items. But alhamdulillah, this method I use now, I got like one shipping company that is so amazing that I use to ship items, and you get your items in 3 to 5 days, like fast, swift. So my international customers, and if you have been eyeing one of my products, you can just slide into my DM using the links in my bio or in the description to make a purchase, and you will get your items in a very short time. I hope you guys love this video, and I hope you guys watch closely and you saw what I did with the TURAREBYAISHA burning. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Before that, listen to this review from my UK customer.
Now I want to show you guys just how kind and generous Sister Aisha is. Okay, so here is, along with my order, here is what she sent me. Honored, absolutely honored to be able to try this tea. Maiduguri, I think, tea collection. I know I said that so wrong, so forgive me, guys. She's given me all of these samples. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different samples, okay, to try out for free. She's given me this Bakhoor burner for free, and she's even thrown in some attar oils. I mean, come on, seriously, yeah. Who is going to take care of you the way Sister Aisha takes care of her customers? Nobody. That's the answer. Jazakallah khairan, sis. May Allah bless you. May Allah put immense barakah into your business, and that you grow and grow and grow and take over the Nigerian Bakhoor scene. Ameen, Ameen, Ya Rabbal Alameen. Feeling happy right now, guys. Feeling very, very happy. My order is here. So that is the alud, gold dust powder, sandal coils, and white oud. Just amazing. Cannot wait to try it out. Inshallah. There you go, look. Big buckets full of amazing smelling Bakhoor.